I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gearing for trades. Choose high stamina and defense stats so you can tank initial damage. Once done, position yourself at the Lighthouse base using the low cliff approach to minimize sightlines and reduce burst risks. Make sure to set one safe fallback point and one aggressive peak route. This gives you options if pressure rises. Move deliberately, use cover between shots, and watch enemy rotations so you can commit only when you have visibility and partial cover. Once you hold an angle, control becomes about tempo and deception. Rotate every 15 to 20 seconds so flanks are less effective and opponents misread your intent. Use baiting. Feign a retreat for 1/2 second to draw shots, then return with a heavy counterpunch to recover space. Make sure to manage your cooldowns. Save your biggest abilities for moments when 2 or more enemies cluster. Transition smoothly between defense and aggression, so you maintain Lighthouse control while conserving resources. To finish the hold, wait until an opponent shows clear damage or low stamina, then commit with focused single-target bursts to remove threats quickly. If you become overwhelmed, fall back to your pre-marked save point and call for ally support rather than dying at the light. If the strategy repeatedly stalls, troubleshoot by checking common flank routes and consider swapping to a more mobile build to close gaps. Remember, finishing is about timing, not brute force. Adjust play to the flow of each encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.